Silver against US dollar this week has lost its value. In the previous week on the Friday, the prices formed this bearish candle suggesting further decline in value, and then the price has dropped down. We can see how this has been. The price on a Monday has reverted back up, reaching the resistance level 38.39, and then from here the price has dropped down. This means this is the bearish breakout that has been formed, and it has been reached the target here. After that, on a Wednesday, we can see the price continue to lose its value, making a bearish breakout below 37.43, then reaching this area of support and also bouncing from this area of support here. On the Friday, the price has reverted back up slightly. Weekly time frame currently shows us that we have a bearish candle here, bearish breakout below 37.43. We can see that here, and also a wick on the lower side, much larger than it is wick on the upside, which means much more selling pressure was here available on the market, where the buyers have entered in the market, and especially the sellers who have pushed the price down on the Friday have closed their trades. That has also a reaction that the price reverses back up. Monthly time frame currently shows me that we have a bearish pin bar formed here on the monthly time frame next to the resistance level, but it is not very clear a strong bearish pin bar, because it is not at this resistance level. It is slightly back down below, and there is no previous reaction around this area of resistance except this one. So we are still in the bullish trend, bullish mode, so I'm not expecting easily that on the monthly time frame we will see the price dropping down. I am more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels, continuing this bullish momentum that is lasting for several months. Now on the monthly time frame, it is suggesting further rise in value. On the weekly time frame, this is a bearish breakout suggesting further decline, where the next support is around 36 level. And the daily time frame currently shows me indecision between the buyers and the sellers. These are the sellers that are pushing the price down, and these are the buyers that are currently waiting here around this area of support. So for the silver, I am expecting and also waiting outside of the market, expecting that the price will make a bullish or bearish breakout. A bullish breakout needs to be above this area of resistance 37.43, or bearish breakout below this area of support 36.11. Where the price will make a bullish or bearish breakout, that is something that we need to see and wait. For example, in this case here, we can see it is a bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value. The price has done just that, reaching the next resistance level as a target. So if you would like to receive these updates, like in this example bearish breakout, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and join other traders. Inside you receive these bearish and bullish breakouts when they happen, and also what is the direction of the market for that day. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.